up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Coming to you guys from the iPhone today because I tried to grab my camera and it's actually dead. So today, as you guys read by today's title of the video, we're gonna try to figure out what's wrong with this thing. It's currently broken. It's probably not the best idea that I'm gonna try to drive it right now, but I kind of have to. So the other night I got off the freeway and like the whole, like some lights turned on, like saying chassis system control or chassis system something, pretty much that something is failing. And when that happened, the steering wheel got super stiff. I couldn't really turn. I ended up turning off the car, starting it back on, and I was able to make it almost home until I stopped. It did the same thing again. I had to turn it off, turn it back on, and I was able to drive it. I came home, it stopped for a little bit, and I was able to drive normally for like, I want to say like 15 miles. And after, when I was on my way home, it locked up again and I couldn't fix it. Like I would turn off the car and start it again and it wouldn't like fix itself. So pretty much I drove home with no power steering. So that's what we're about to do again. I'm gonna drive it to the nearest like O'Reilly's that I have right here by my house. And I guess scan the codes, because I guess you could scan those like chassis control things, even though there's not a check engine light. So I'm gonna go ahead and go scan it, see what's wrong with it, see what sensor I have to swap out. I've been reading on some forums and I think it's gonna be like the speed sensor or something like that. Hopefully it's not too expensive, because unfortunately with these newer cars with a lot of technology, these little simple issues could be pretty pricey. So let's go ahead and try to make it to the O'Reilly's. Last time I drove it, I tried to drive it, which was like 2 days ago. The moment I took it out of the garage, I moved and I'm trying to move the steering wheel, and like completely locked. So let's see if it does it again. Alright, so last time I literally did something like this. There it is, you see? Right away. So look, the steering wheel gets super stiff. Literally like trying to turn it and I can't. So there's that's why I haven't been driving it. So I'm gonna try to drive it. It's like a mile away from me with pretty much no power steering. See how this goes. Let's hope I don't crash, to be honest. All right, so that's like the notification thing that I was getting. It's actually not too hard to drive once it's rolling, but I still kind of gotta use like both of my hands. So yeah, right now that it's driving straight, it's not hard at all. It's just when you turn, it kind of sucks. Let's hope we make it and make it back. I just got another little notification, malfunction. Yeah, I don't know what happened, bro, because this was like super random. Like I literally just got off the freeway and this happened. Like I didn't hit a pothole or anything. Look how hard it is. Actually, over a year ago, I did hit a pretty bad pothole, and it did this. Like on the way home, I got to my girl's house. I turned the car off, and when I turned it on, it completely went away, and it never came back until now. I don't know if it's the same thing, like if it finally gave out, whatever it was, but it was super random, bro. Like I did not hit no pothole, I did not do anything dumb. I was literally just driving home from the gym. Sorry, bro. For getting so close to you, that was not on purpose. But yeah, this sucks. Like I said, hopefully it's nothing too expensive. Bro. I shouldn't have went to the gym today. Just turning this car is low-key a workout. Oh, dude. I think you're gonna ask for my ID. I don't got it with me. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Damn it, bro. I don't got my ID, and I think they're gonna ask me for it to use a stupid freaking computer thing. And I am not about to go home. See if they take my phone or something. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back for my ID. Look how stupid this wheel is. How did I forget my ID, bro? There goes the control error. Oh, I'm literally sweating. I'm literally sweating. I'm not even exaggerating. Oh, my bad, dog. Don't fuck up the lease now. Bro, just look how goofy this looks. Oh man. Alright, got the wallet. Now we're on the way back. When I tell you guys I'm sweating, I'm not even lying. Free use in parking. That is literally a workout. Turns out I didn't even need my wallet, so that was a complete waste of my time. Take this good for nothing thing off. Put this thing in. And see what codes pop up. Yeah, I had a feeling these scanners were gonna be no help because it's not an actual check engine light. I'm gonna have to see if anybody has like the big mechanic like little tablets that scan the codes. I know Eric had one, but I think he sold it because he used to work at Nissan. That one would have worked. Dude, I cannot do this with one hand. But if anybody knows or has gone through a similar problem like this in their Q50, please let me know. So far the forms I said it's a speed sensor, but obviously I'm not gonna just start buying sensors if I don't know which exact one is off. It's messed up. I cannot do it with one hand. What if I just do a pull and it fixes itself? Imagine. Yeah, I guess I just need somebody with a Nissan scanner to scan this thing so I can know exactly what sensor I need. But I'm gonna do more research on the forms right now, see if I can figure it out without doing that. But at the same time, I don't want to just swap out a random ass sensor. I'll probably just take it to a mechanic or somebody. I would take it to my tuner, but he's pretty far. I'm not sure how I feel about driving it all the way over there. But I'll pick up the camera once I have an update on this whole little situation.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, it is now a few days later from the last clip you guys just saw. As you guys see, the Q is outside. It is not fixed yet, but I am gonna link up with one of the homies that actually has one of those more sophisticated scanners. It's a big tablet computers, and he'll hopefully be able to tell me what exactly is wrong with it. I do think it's like a speed sensor, I think it's called. It's like a small little sensor that's very simple fix, but I do want to make sure it is that before I just go buy a sensor and swap it out for no reason. But not a big deal. But for now, I'm gonna take this car out. I haven't really driven it. Nothing's wrong with the car, I just don't have tags on it, so I'm not trying to risk a ticket or possibly get my car towed. I'm not driving it right now, but I am going to drive it around the block because it's not good to let 85 sit for so long on these cars. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do a little cold start for you guys. Which one are you guys taking? Q50, full exhaust, E85, carbon, little accessories, little 57 CR, star lights. What else does this car have? Whatever else it has. Or fully built 350Z with a single turbo on E85. Actually, I asked this question not too long ago on my Instagram. I made a post and the caption was like, which one are you guys taking, 350Z or Q50? Some people actually said this car and I was like, wow, that's insane. I know this car's pretty sick. It is, but this car is just like, well, at least to me, It's like the best thing ever. The best thing ever created. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this thing around the block just to get the 85 to circulate and whatnot. Yeah, like I said, nothing is wrong with this car at all. It's just that my tires are overdue. So yeah, I'm not trying to get a pullover on this car for something so dumb and small like that. To boost, but more than likely it's gonna just pop the coupler off. Second gear should be good, but it's once you hit third where like it just pops the coupler. Too much boost, man. I love driving this car, bro. If I could, I would date this thing again. But you see the way Cali is set up, that will not happen. Not with this big ass turbo on the back at least. One thing's for sure, I definitely do miss daily driving a manual car. My next car is definitely gonna be manual. Just like that. Going back inside to hibernate. I love this car, bro. Even if it's just like a simple little drive around the block, makes me happy. But it's crazy, bro. Sometimes I feel like this car is more reliable than that one. Now that one's reliable too. It's just like small little dumb issues that happen from time to time, but thankfully it's small. Probably fix it. I would fix it right now, but I am going to a little vacation on Saturday. Today is Thursday, so I need to get ready for that. Go shop a little bit more and all that type of stuff. I don't really got any more car content, so what I'm gonna do to finish this video off, because I think this video is kind of short. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to the gym right now with the homies and see if we could get like some little funny content going or something. Damn, bro, the Q looks so good from this angle. You guys remember him? Damn. My boy said, I don't care if I get a heart attack, but I'm benching 3 plates today. Damn. How much are you taking? You better bench like 4 plates today for real. Everybody hit some chest. I feel kind of weird bringing my camera in the gym.
Oh, we're hitting chest today?
Yeah. So you gotta show up for my vlog. You gotta do like 5 plates.
Bet my gym better be here today or else.
Or else. But what?
I'm gonna be pissed.
Fuck. I gotta go get my AirPods. Of course.
You know I forgot my AirPods at work?
Yeah. Look at these señoras about to put on their fajas.
Shut up, that's why you're built like you're melted.
Built like I'm melted?
Yeah.
What?
He doesn't get it.
You guys are really some señoras, bro.
Shut up.
Just go do some ab workouts. Don't put that fajas on.
You do ab workouts almost every single workout we do. Show yours off right now.
My abs?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm humble about it. I don't wanna.
That's what I thought.
I don't wanna make you look fat, bro. Come on. Alright, still warms up. 225. Let the bar go down.
Since I usually only just get 1 rep of this, after this rep, 1 rep of 2, put it to a plate 25, I'm gonna do my drop set already.
You're already starting, why are you trying to do a drop set already?
Fuck you, that's why.
Eric here is going for a personal best. 2 plates 25. Come on. One more if you can. Take care. you play stand, I got you.
I'm scared. Chat.
Of what?
Die. You know what? I don't want to die, so I'm gonna do it.
What?
I don't think I'm headed.
Why not? Why be so negative?
I don't have enough pain in me right now.
Pain?
Yeah. Tell me something that's gonna hurt me.
She's talking to somebody else.
I know she is. I'm a failure.